Oh, that was my favorite. They brought it back to California Adventure a couple years ago. God.
Castle's moving.
Dad, are you okay?
Ole! Ole! It's go time!
Wait, hold it. Yeah. As long as I don't bend over.
The gods have been angered by all the celebrating.
That real fire?
Yeah.
That's it.
It's all real, dude.
Welcome, foolish mortals, to the Haunted Mansion.
Oh, yeah.
I am your host, your ghost host. Is this haunted room actually stretching?
Oh, wow.
Just your imagination.
That scared me.
This chamber has no windows and no
Wow, look at the
doors,
castle. Castle, look at the castle.
which offers you this